Do you ever wish you had a memory like a steel trap, effortlessly recalling names, facts, and information whenever you needed it? Well, get ready to unlock the vault of your mind as we reveal 3 genius tips for recall mastery. Say goodbye to forgetfulness and hello to a memory so sharp, you'll be amazed at what your brain is truly capable of. Hey there, memory explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of the brain and how to harness its incredible powers for a better life. Today, we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey to supercharge your memory. Tip number 1. Mindful learning. Our brains are like sponges, soaking up every piece of information around us. But to truly remember and retain that knowledge, we need to be fully engaged. Mindful learning is all about being present, focused, and attentive during the learning process. So, the next time you're studying or learning something new, clear your mind of distractions, find a quiet space, and be fully present in the moment. This not only enhances memory but also improves comprehension and understanding. But that's not all. To supercharge your memory, take short breaks between study sessions. Studies have shown that spaced learning, where you take regular breaks and revisit the material, boosts retention significantly. So, instead of cramming all at once, break down your study sessions into smaller chunks, and give your brain time to process the information effectively. Alright, tip number 2. Let's dive into the world of mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory shortcuts and aids or techniques used to help individuals remember information more easily. These techniques rely on associations, patterns, or other strategies to encode information in a way that makes it easier to retrieve later. One of the reasons mnemonic devices are so powerful is their ability to transform abstract or hard-to-remember information into something vivid and meaningful. First up, we have acronyms, where you create a word or phrase using the initial letters of the information you want to remember. For example, to recall the order of the planets in our solar system, use the sentence "My very educated mother just served us noodles," where each initial represents Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Also, visual imagery is another powerful technique. Our brains love pictures, so creating vivid mental images can significantly improve recall. For example, picture vivid mental images that represent foreign words. For instance, to remember the Spanish word, gato, which means cat, in English, visualize a cat wearing a sombrero. Now, it's time to explore the third memory secret, spaced repetition. To truly master your memory, you need to optimize the way you review and reinforce information over time. Spaced repetition is a scientifically proven technique that takes advantage of the brain's forgetting curve. The forgetting curve shows that if you don't review information at strategic intervals, you'll quickly forget it. But here's the exciting part. Spaced repetition in your study routine is a game changer because it will enable you to retain information for the long haul. To get started with spaced repetition, you can create a study schedule that incorporates regular review sessions. Begin by reviewing the material shortly after you first learn it, then gradually extend the intervals as you become more familiar with the content. By making spaced repetition a part of your learning routine, you'll be amazed at how quickly and efficiently you can master new information. As we near the end of our memory journey, I hope you're feeling as excited as I am about the incredible potential of your brain. Mindful learning, mnemonic devices, spaced repetition. These genius memory tips are the keys to unlocking your memory's true potential. I encourage you to incorporate these memory-enhancing techniques into your daily routines. To embrace your brain's full capabilities, these memory secrets will undoubtedly transform the way you learn and remember. And, of course, a huge thank you to each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing community. If you want to stay updated and never miss out on the latest memory-boosting secrets and brain-empowering tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. See you soon. Thank you for watching.